Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. U.S. stock indices have risen, with the S&P 500 up 1.01% and the Nasdaq 100 up 1.29%, outpacing the Dow Jones Industrials Index's 0.86% gain. The U.S. dollar has strengthened, rising by 0.17%, due to a reduction in U.S.-China trade tensions following President Trump's comments indicating optimism about resolving the issue. This development is seen as positive for global economic growth and the dollar itself. Cotton prices remain stable, down by 12 points initially, after a slight rally on Friday. Futures closed Friday's session, with a minor increase of 40 to 55 points, although December contracts were up 44 points from last week. External market influence was minimal in driving the price change. Corn futures are relatively stable, trading near steady, with minor gains. The market maintained its upward momentum from the previous week, with December contracts showing a gain of nearly 10 cents. Prices pulled back slightly at the close on Friday but overall remain positive. The major U.S. stock indices, including the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrials, and Nasdaq 100, all closed higher, with gains ranging from 0.52% to 0.65%. Additionally, futures contracts for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 also rose by a similar margin. Coffee prices are experiencing mixed results, with Arabica futures rising and Robusta falling. The price of December Arabica coffee has increased by 1.55% due to supply concerns, as U.S. President Trump is expected to announce new tariffs on Colombia, a major Arabica producer. In contrast, November ICE Robusta coffee has declined slightly. WTI crude oil has fallen to a 5.5-month low, down 0.43-0.75% at present. November RBOB gasoline prices are also declining, down -0.0096-0.52%. The strengthening U.S. dollar is contributing to the decline in crude and gasoline prices. Notable options trading activity in General Electric Company (GE) sees significant options trading volume, with 31,832 contracts traded so far. This high activity indicates increased investor interest and potential market volatility surrounding the company's stock. Winter wheat contracts have shown slight fractional to penny losses, while spring wheat has remained steady. In contrast, the overall wheat complex closed mostly higher at market close, with some indication that winter wheat is attempting to establish a support level. CBT soft red wheat futures were 1 to 2 cents higher. The U.S. dollar index, DXY00, rebounded by plus 0.09% following a recent low, driven by reduced concerns over the creditworthiness of U.S. regional banks. CoreWeave is set to release its second quarter, Q2, earnings report by November 12 at the latest. The U.S. stock market indices are experiencing a positive trend, with the S&P 500 index rising by 0.71%, the Dow Jones Industrials Index increasing by 0.51%, and the Nasdaq 100 Index up by 0.89%. The corresponding futures contracts for December also show gains, indicating ongoing upward momentum in the market. ASML's photolithography equipment plays a crucial role in producing cutting-edge semiconductors. This equipment is vital for high-tech industries such as computing, telecommunications, and automotive manufacturing. Its significance underscores the importance of ASML in the global semiconductor supply chain. Disney stock slumps due to weak earnings. Disney's stock performance has been impacted by disappointing quarterly earnings. The company's financial results fell short of investor expectations, leading to a decline in its stock value. This setback highlights the challenges Disney faces in maintaining growth and profitability amidst intensifying competition in the entertainment industry. Families can break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck by reviewing their spending habits and implementing cost-cutting measures. Key strategies include assessing income and expenses, creating a budget, and prioritizing essential expenses. By taking control of finances, families can achieve financial stability and security. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.